Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by targeting the rust now. Don't delay. Apply white vinegar to the affected spot so it penetrates rust. Vinegar dissolves iron oxides chemically. Once soaked for 10-20 minutes, sprinkle baking soda to create gentle abrasion and neutralize acid. This foams and lifts residue. Use a soft scrub pad or toothbrush to scrub along the grain to avoid scratches. Make sure to wear gloves and work over a towel so you catch drips and stay safe while prepping the utensil. Once the paste is applied, you should scrub patiently in short bursts along the metal grain. This removes rust without causing micro scratches. For stubborn pits, repeat the vinegar soak or switch to lemon plus coarse salt. Acid plus abrasive eats rust progressively. If rust persists, use a toothbrush for crevices and a non-abrasive pad for flat areas. Make sure to rinse frequently so you're not rubbing grit back into the surface, and inspect under good light to confirm progress before moving to final steps. You finish by thoroughly rinsing away all residues and drying the utensil immediately. Moisture invites rust to return. Then buff a thin layer of olive or mineral oil into the surface to seal microscopic pores and restore shine. This reduces future oxidation. If minor pits remain, repeat the earlier process. However, if rust has produced deep pitting or structural weakening, consider professional polishing or replacement to avoid contamination. Remember, regular drying and oiling are the key preventative measures to keep tools rust-free.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.